If you are interested in clear aligners and to what it can do for you, here is the place to be. The C.L.E.A.R Institute's goal is to give dentists and team members information to entertain your clear aligner education. No matter if you have experience or not, this is the place you need to be to get answers to your questions and more. Always in a very educational, entertaining way. Who said dentistry and education should be boring? Now make the move. Subscribe to this channel, click the bell and follow us so you won't miss a thing from our weekly upload. My name is Stefan Reinhardt, Director of Education Program for the C.L.E.A.R Institute. Join us and together, let's have fun making the move.